Difficult and time-consuming manual part setup and checking reduces the productive machining time of your manufacturing department, slowing product release times and reducing the profitability of your business. To avoid this, Autodesk Fusion 360 provides in-cycle inspection capabilities using spindle-mounted probes to monitor and control the quality of your CNC machining processes. The integrated platform of Fusion 360 means that part setup, programming and verification on the machine are unified into a single user experience, letting you quickly and accurately set up and check your stock material, part process components and finished parts on the machine, and create your required toolpaths without leaving the Fusion 360 environment. Measurement and alignment sequences are created offline, with the ability to inspect freeform surfaces and probe geometries such as bores and faces to verify the accuracy, dimensions and positions of critical features and surfaces. For part setup, the measurement sequence is post-processed as NC code and then run on the machine, the results from which are read back into Fusion 360 to automatically generate a part alignment which is then used for all following operations. This is especially useful for irregular non-prismatic components like castings or 3D printed parts, which are difficult to locate manually, and larger, heavier parts which are difficult to maneuver. The same technology is also used for part verification without taking the part off the machine. This allows part accuracy to be checked before moving to subsequent processes or final inspection. Unexpected variation can be detected and remedied immediately, minimizing costs and improving efficiency. By using Fusion 360 as an integrated solution for design, manufacturing and part setup and verification, you can remove non-productive operations to start machining quicker and realize the full potential of your manufacturing department.